Good morning, students. Today our topic is multiples. What are multiples? Multiple of a number is the product of given number with any counting number. The multiple of a number starts from the number itself and goes up to infinity. For example, multiples of 3. These are 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Multiples of a number start from the number itself and goes up to infinity. Let us do some examples. First one is, write first 5 multiples of 14. Write first 5 multiples of 14. Now how to find out multiples? First 5 means we are to multiply the given number starting from 1 up to 5. So multiples will be 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70. To find out multiples of 14, we will start multiplying 14 by 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and we get the multiples. So our answer is, first 5 multiples of 14 are 14, 28, 42, 56 and 70. Hope this is clear. How to find out multiples? Next question is, find 8th multiple of 15. Now we are to find out only one multiple. Which? 8th multiple. Of which number? 15. So we will multiply 15 by 8. 8th multiple of 15. 15 8s are. If you know the table, you can write orally. If you don't know the table, you can multiply on the right hand side. 15 8s are 120 is our answer. You can show the rough work here. If the number is bigger, you can show the multiplication in rough work. Is this clear? How to find out any multiple of any number? For 8th multiple of 15, we will multiply 15 by 8 and we get the answer. Now in next question, we are to find out difference between 5th multiple of 12 and 6th multiple of 8. For this, firstly we will find out 5th multiple of 12 and then 6th multiple of 8. Then in third step we will find out their difference. So start doing. Firstly we will find out 5th multiple of 12, which is 12 multiplied by 5. 12 fives are 60. Now 6th multiple of 8. 8. 6th multiple of 8 is 8 multiplied by 6. 8 6 are? Yes, 48. Now we are to find out difference. In order to find out their difference, we will subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. 60 minus 48, we get 12. So the difference between 5th multiple of 12 and 6th multiple of 8 is 12. Is this clear? Next question is, write multiples of 12 less than 32. We will start finding multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. But we are to find out multiples less than 32. So multiples of 12 which are less than 32 are only 12 and 24. Answer is multiples of 12 less than 32 are 12 and 24 only. Next question is, write multiples of 9 between 27 and 72. For this we will start writing multiples of 9 and then we will find the numbers which are in between 27 and 72. Let us start. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72. Now we will stop because we are to find out the multiples between 27 and 72. 72 is here, so we will find out which multiples are between 27 and 72. This is 27, this is 72, and the multiples between 27 and 72 are 36, 45, 54 and 63. Answer is 36, 45, 54 and 63. These are the multiples of 9 between 27 and 72. Hope the concept of multiples is clear to you. Thank you.